Hello Royce, hello sa'yo. Si Kuya Makoy mo to. Sana lagi ka mag-iingat at sana makikita ka. Kasama ko nga pala ang pogi mong tito. Nandito mag-ako sa cellphone. Sana lagi ka mag-iingat at makita kita makabalik. God bless sa'yo. See you. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Ito ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything yet in life. And may you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday. Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Apple, happy birthday. From Manila, I'd like to greet you a very happy birthday, 30th birthday. I've witnessed that you have grown into a kind, young lady you are today. Nakita na kita since you are my inaanak, I've witnessed how you have become such a very good person, individual, and God-fearing person. I love you, Apple. Happy birthday, and hope to see you soon.
Happiest birthday, Apple. Wish you all the best. Pero ang the best, kajowa ka na, tapos mag-asawa ka na. Para mabigyan mo ng apo na si mami at daddy mo. Ingat ka palagi. And God bless you always. And love you always. Mwah.
Hello, Ate Apple. Happy birthday. I'm always wishing you good health, more happiness, of course, and more blessings in your life. Salamat sa lagi paggabay mo sa akin. At I'm really grateful to be your cousin, and I love you so very much. You take care always, and see you soon. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Apple. Ingat ka palagi, and God bless. Sana magka-jowa ka na. Ilang taon ka na.
Happy birthday, Paul. Wish ko sana lahat ng prayers mo matupad. And yung wish naming lahat para sa'yo, sana makatagpo ka na ng AFAM mo. Okay lang naman kung wala. Pero baka naman, may makita ka.
Ate Apple, happy birthday. Ano po handa mo po? Pa-experience po. Happy birthday, Ate Apple. Bigyan
Apple, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. See you soon again. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy the day. God bless you, anak.
Happy birthday, Ate Apple.
Ay, Ate Apple, we miss you po. Sana po, okay lang po kayo sa Qatar. Love you po. We miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Apple. Be good po kayo dyan sa Qatar. Thank you po na bigay po yung sapatos sa akin. May grateful po ako doon. Be good po kayo sa Qatar. Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Birthday ni ng orange. birthday, Ninang Apple. I hope you enjoy your birthday. I love you, miss you.
Happy birthday, Apollonia. I love you. Mag-asawa ka na para mabigyan na kita ng kare-kare. Miss you, I love you. Happy birthday.